what is the important point I want to explain? Let us think of academics. We are having great desire to learn this thing, that thing. Education from nursery, try to move upward, you will reach to the university. Let us imagine we got Nobel Prize. We are very big academic person, but try to search anyone, you will never find that any academic person is having real peace and joy. Think of Einstein. Einstein was called the man of century. But he wrote himself, now Gandhiji is Superman for all times, not only one century. That letter I am having it. Gandhiji is Superman, superhuman for all times, for ages. And also he said that in future people may not believe that like this somebody walks on this earth. Therefore this is important point we should remember. Try to join, become the best student, best professor, get Nobel Prize, still you will find you are not having that thing what you were searching. Then come, try to get Kriya Yoga meditation. When you practice Kriya Yoga meditation, you will realize that you have everything. What you wanted, you have it. You wanted to realize ultimate truth. What are ultimate truth? What we want? We want knowledge of all kinds. We want ever new peace. That peace should not be boring. We want ever new joy. Joy should not be boring. We want to remain our existence, to keep our existence all the time. We do not want to disappear. This is our nature. But when you practice Kriya Yoga meditation, then you realize you got it. Therefore, Kriya Yoga meditation is called the highest and complete education. When you practice sincerely, you will demonstrate it. Now, the moment you try to know with the help of Kriya Yoga meditation, what is this cosmos? When we know the cosmos, human behavior, behavior of animal, behavior of plants, then what we have idea, oh very bad, it's not good, frustration, tension, worries. Then whatever we know is incorrect. When you start knowing the truth behind this cosmos, when you know something, you feel great peace, great joy, more vitality, more immunity, then whatever we are knowing is correct. Therefore, when try to see around, see the newspaper, try to observe human behavior, you will have frustration. It means we are not knowing it. Try to see human behavior, try to see everything what is happening around, you must feel great joy. If you are not having great joy, we are not knowing the truth. Therefore, practice Kriya Yoga meditation sincerely. You will realize this cosmic play is called dance of bliss. Now let us try to understand with this diagram that when you practice Kriya Yoga, then you try to realize, you try to know the answer of this cosmic play. What is happening in this world? Earth is spinning on its pivot, revolving around this sun. Moon revolves around the earth. Sun revolves around its nucleus, Vishnu Nabhi. Many things are happening. What is this? What is happening? Therefore, when you practice Kriya Yoga meditation, then you will know that these 24 elements, they are interchanging all the time. When you love interchanging, do not have any complaint, then you will know the science. Science of conversion, these elements among themselves. Moment you know it, this conversion, then you can keep your solid intact forever. You will not have arthritis. Any part, lungs, liver, kidney, endocrine glands, hormones, whatever you need, you can synthesize it. Therefore, this Kriya Yoga is the complete and the highest education and very easy. It is easiest of easy, but you have to practice it. This is a very important point, you should remember it, that never miss practice any day. When you start practicing it, a time will come that body will oppose, mind will oppose, intelligence will oppose. Because in this practice there is no any negative talk. Principle is this: God has become all. Try to experience this truth. And when you are experiencing this truth, this is the best thing. Therefore, person of all faith, all countries, all nations, all varieties of people, they can follow this practice very easily. There is no conflict in this. We have one negative idea that we want to learn so quickly. I want to learn in 1 year. It is not possible. As you cannot grow from the embryonic period very quickly 6 feet, it will take time. Therefore, enjoy practice. In one lifetime, you will get everything. According to your devotion in practice, according to the past life, what you have done, this time will be decided. If you are 100% dedicated, you will get in short span of time. Short span does not mean 1 year. Short span means 14 years, 24 years, 36 years, like this.